winter is not so fun. Pwede naman yun ah, kaya lang depende sa color. Hindi, kunyari ganyan yung kulay nung isang kwarto. Tapos pagpasok mo doon sa kwarto, red! Tapos sa isang kwarto, ganito yung kulay. Bright ba? Bright! Talaga ba? Tapos ako yung, alam niyo yung dami, kasi sa Pilipinas kung sa yan, nakita ko yung mga lupa. Nakita yung UT yan, tsaka
yung mga designers,
yung mga, like, sa HTV, diba? Yung mga, hindi eh, kasi iba tuloy yung dati. Glossy pangyayari. Glossy? Kasi parang naalala yung mga push-a pink, yung mga ayoko yung mga gano'n. Gano'n ka, red. Ayoko na red. Ay, ganyan, pero makintag. Tapos red. Tapos, buta lang kung ganyan, tapos kunyari sa baba. Yung kasi ng kwarto, alam niyo kaya, nas-wall, kapag labas mo, red din. Gano'n? Oo, sabi niya. Ay, kunyari yung pillow na yan, di ba maganda yung pagka-blending din. Ate May, hinihiyaan mo na sila. Tapos, buto na, parang, ano na siya, saka depende.
Just cautious, like,
Papaganda mo yung kung ano, pero pag plain ka tapos ang pangit ng ano mo. Ewan ko, hindi ko. Pero red
she gives you, like, the answer, I mean, the question of the
Pero ako
final.
parang, whatever your choice is, di ba? Pero sa Ate May, hindi nakapis mo. Kasi sa niya, talagang, hindi ko ulo na, baka naman nakasisilat ng tao, di ba?
Ate Mary, nakakatawa yung third na nakausap ka.
No, Thursday.
I work.
I mean Friday.
Oh.
Kausap ng tao, kausap niya ako, tagal-tagal namin nag-usap. Sabi mo gano'n, Ate Mary, kilala mo ba ako? Eh, sino ka nga ba? Tapos namiyak ka, kausap mo kanina pa, hindi mo kilala. Tawa ka lang ng tawa dyan. Tapos sinabi ko, uy, kamusta ka? Kala ko naman, sino nang babae na kapag-abroad?
Oh my goodness.
Ay, minuto siya ng paano. Kasi ito mga inaaral yun. Kasi mga anak nila kasi.
Hindi sila makakuha ng ano.
Hold on. Don't wash it off.
I did.
What is it?
Come.
Say that.
Ay! Oo! Let's see, just pay $60.
Hey, let me show you something.
Around what? Either
It's
$2 or
Let me show you something.
11:50.
Looks kind of like a brain.
Does it smell good? Can I smell it?
Yeah. It smells like grape.
Your face is red.
Kailangan ano?
My face is red.
Dude, it looks like your face just turned like really bright red.
I didn't rush.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See, now it's normal and then it's turning red.
Naisip si Ate Margie. Oo, grabe. Saka lahat ng mga... Diba kayo noon? Yung mga pekwa na... Alam mo, naalala ko yung mga...
To forgive is divine, so let's have a glass of wine.
Ate Mary, talaga naman.
Kaya talaga na iyak na lang namin.
Mami, hindi po matamis ang wala ka sa food. Hindi ako wala ka sa food.
Dude, no, what are you doing? Did you just pick the grass outside?
Yeah.
That's good, okay. Keep it in your pocket.
You can imagine my hand was actually in there. Well, it's mine. It's not his.
No.
Well,
eating that.
It's dangerous.
Is it cute?
He was when if he's like younger. 30.
We watched One Tree Hill today. We missed it. It's so
Who cares about One Tree Hill?
Everybody does.
I'm not home.
It's life. Okay.
I'm bathing with her and I'll say shower.
Shower.
Hanggang ngayon ha, kasi nakita niya ako dito magkakasama kami ng mga
I'm tired.
Hey, are you coming here tomorrow, 11:30?
Stop. Pasta.
Pasta.
Okay, stop.
What do you mean stop?
Stop filming.
Why?
I want to see it.
Oh, it's okay. Just see it tomorrow when it's online.
No, I won't see it now.
Go. Okay, pretend you're going so that I can film you leaving the house.